Hi, this is Karl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through one of my newest brokerage listings. This is a 2020 Scout 175 Sportfish. This boat has 31 hours on it. Single owner boat, always kept on a trailer at Isle of Palms. This is the shark gray hull. This boat has the bow cushion, cooler seat with backrest. There's storage beneath the bow cushion, and we've also got the anchor locker up here with the trolling motor plug. See all the storage inside the bow locker. Windshield with stainless steel grab rail, Bimini top, reversible pilot seat with an adjustable backrest and igloo cooler beneath. We have the rear jump seats with the upgraded backrests. At the helm, we have our digital Yamaha gauges on the left side, lockable glove box on the right side of the dash, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. We've got a 6-inch Garmin that's mounted on top of the console. The boat is powered with a 90 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha. Swim step with reboarding ladder on the port side. Again, just 31 hours on the motor. 20-hour service has been done. This boat is located at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. And again, this is Karl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. You can contact me directly at 843-574-8289. You can also text that number. You can also email me at karl.anderson@marinemax.com, and that's Karl with a K. Thanks for watching.